Hello and welcome to our weekly question time. We've got our star of the week and our superhero of the week. Good morning, boys, and what class are you two in?
Barn
The Barn Owls, F2. What's your favourite thing about being in that class?
Playing.
Playing?
Yeah.
What type of things do you like to play?
Play tea.
And you like playing tig? What else do you like?
I'm outside.
And outside?
Yep.
Yeah? With the equipment?
Yep. A red bubble. Yeah.
Anything else you like about your class?
Playing football outside.
Playing football as well?
Outside.
Remember to stay on them crosses, boys, otherwise you'll not be on the camera. I'll not be able to see you. My next question. What's your favourite food? What do you like to eat? Pizza! Good choice.
Pizza.
Two people that like pizza. What's your favourite pizza?
Cheese.
Cheesy pizza. What about you?
Pepperoni.
Pepperoni pizza. Two very good choices. Boys, just thinking about them pizzas has made my belly rumble. It's made me hungry. I could just eat them. Is your belly rumbling?
Yeah.
Oh, I could just eat some pizza right now. Oh no, we don't want to see your belly. No, put it away. Next question. What music do you like?
Banana.
Do you want to sing us some?
Yeah.
Go on then, sing us some music.
Banana. Banana.
Sing.
Banana.
What about you? Have you got a favourite song?
Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
I've got banana.
Can you both sing Spider-Man for me?
Yeah.
No, you don't want to. Do you want to sing Spider-Man?
Yeah.
Go on then.
The spider get out the bag.
Beautiful. My next question. Would you rather be a dinosaur for the day or a big blue whale?
I'll be that.
Dinosaur? Why do you want to be a dinosaur?
Get into the bag.
What would you do if you were a dinosaur for the day?
Go ahead.
You'd be stamping all over?
Yeah.
What about you? Would you want to be a dinosaur or a blue whale?
Dinosaur.
Why?
Because I would want to eat the whole school up.
Eat the school?
Yeah.
What?
I did go too.
And you'd eat the school too?
Yeah.
Why would you eat the school?
Because it's yummy.
Ugh. Eating a school is yummy. Are you sure?
Yeah.
I'd sooner have your cheesy pizza or your pepperoni pizza than eating bricks.
What?
Exactly. How strange is that? What's your favourite game? What do you like to play?
Minecraft.
Minecraft?
Not this restaurant.
Do you like Minecraft?
No.
Yeah?
Not this restaurant.
What do you do on Minecraft? What do you boys
Not
do?
this. I think holes.
Dig big holes?
Yeah, not this restaurant.
Okay.
And I went away from the creepers.
Oh yeah. Those green creepers
Yeah.
chasing after you.
Yeah.
What about you? Do you like Minecraft as well?
Yeah.
Is that what you do? Dig big holes? Do you make some buildings?
Yeah. Yeah.
Build some houses?
Yeah.
Yeah, I thought so.
Now have the back. And
Is
I
it?
can move the underground house.
You can move it?
No way.
Whoa. You must be very good at Minecraft.
Yeah. And I can get diamonds.
Oh, interesting. If I gave you £1 million right now, which is a lot of money, what would you go and buy?
So, I would buy a digger to smash the school down. I'm not doing that.
What?
You're not that.
And you'd buy a digger as well? You two in a digger smashing our school down?
Yeah, I'm not good at
No way.
Yeah.
No way.
Yeah.
I'm not giving you £1 million if you're just going to do that. No chance. I thought these were two sensible boys and all they want to do is wreck the place. My next question is my last question. If Mrs. Lambert said that we can get a new school pet, what animal would you pick?
Hulk.
Hulk?
Yeah.
A school Hulk?
Hulk smashed the school down.
What? What is going on with you two today? So you'd be a Hulk smash, just like that, and you get a big crocodile to smash the school down.
Yeah.
What? Do you two not like this place?
Yeah.
You just want to destroy it?
Yeah. When you.
Me?
Yeah.
What's it got to do with me?
All of the persons.
Oh my word. I thought I had two sensible boys here. I was wrong. I've only got one last thing for you to do.
What?
Show me your silliest face and say goodbye to the people watching this video.
Bye.
Oh, that is a silly face. Show me your silly face. Say bye.